What's up guys, Sal here. So Samsung is teasing the camera capabilities of the Galaxy S9 with these promotional images. These are taken with the S9 and honestly speaking, I'm pretty impressed with the quality that is being put out by this device. If you observe the first two images, that is of a boy on a swing and a man jumping into a lake, the object that the camera is focusing on are both in motion. So for a smartphone camera to be able to take images this crisp of an object that is in motion like that, it is very impressive and shows that the camera will be able to handle motions with quick shutter speed. Finally, the picture of the cat clearly shows the depth of field, aka the portrait capabilities of the S9 and S9 Plus. I'm calling it, folks. The camera on the S9 is gonna be the best we have ever seen on a smartphone, and other companies must up their game to reach to this level. A recent leak claims to show the batteries that will be going inside the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. The leak is nothing too fancy really, we just get a few photos of each batteries from a few different angles. What's important here is that we can clearly see their capacities printed on their labels. So the Galaxy S9 cell has a 3000 mAh capacity, while the one meant for the S9 Plus is shown as 3500 mAh one, which is same as the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. Like I've said in the past, that doesn't mean battery life can't be improved, considering that the S9 and S9 Plus will get other components that will be more energy efficient than the parts used in the Galaxy S8. Anyways, let me know your thoughts on the camera capabilities of the S9 in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.